Hey everyone, this is Terry with a quick look at the Vehpow Professional OBD2 Scanner. Once out of the box, you'll notice it comes with a storage bag. The unit itself, you'll note, has a very long cable, making it convenient to plug in under the dashboard while you're working with it. It also comes with simple instructions. The scanner features a large color screen and a simple button layout, a very simple user interface. The reader also features an oil reset, but we'll need to turn the system on to see that. Let me demonstrate on my Chevy Tahoe, so I'll rest the unit on the seat while I plug in the cable underneath the steering column. My check engine light has come on recently, so let's find out what's going on. With the unit plugged into my car, I'll use the arrows to move over to the DTC application and start it up. From there, I can read the codes, and there you go, I've got a problem with my catalytic converter. If you're able to repair the vehicle yourself, you can also clear the codes from the unit very simply. Looking for your VIN number, the unit can easily find vehicle information from another icon on the main screen. If you're like me and you like to change the oil in your vehicles, but you're having trouble resetting the car computer, this can do that too. Simply select the European, American, or Asian model of your car, follow the instructions, and it will automatically reset the oil life. Now, I've only shown you a couple of the product features. In addition, you can check battery voltage, check your oxygen sensors, even run a test to see if your car will pass emissions. So it doesn't really matter if you drive a Chevy, a Honda, or a Mini Cooper. If you're looking for a diagnostic code reader with real power, this is a great choice. I'll put a link in the description as to where you can find it. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.